Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to share a simple and effective hair oil जो आप easily घर पे बना सकते हो to reduce hair fall and to promote hair growth. The things you will need to prepare the oil are some curry leaves, castor oil and coconut oil. And you can also use fenugreek seeds or methi. You can also check out my video on how to make curry leaves hairspray. I have shared the link in the description below. Take 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of castor oil, then mix them together. Now heat the oil and add some methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Keep the flame or heat low. When the seeds start popping, add the curry leaves. Heat the oil at low flame for 3 to 5 minutes. You will notice a change in color of the oil. Now strain the oil in a container. Shake it well every time before applying. Now comb your hair and apply the oil in your scalp. You can also heat the oil before applying. This oil is also very effective in reducing grey hair. Give it a massage for a few minutes and you can keep it for 2 hours before you wash your hair, or you can also keep it overnight. Leave it on for 2 hours or wrap it up in a hot towel. Wash it off with a mild shampoo. You will notice that your hair is less frizzy, smooth and shiny. Apply this 2 to 3 times a week for best results. If you like this video, show some love and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell.